I had boneless chicken bites at a fast food restaurant. They were okay. We can make them better. So we're just cleaning up our chicken into nice cubes. We don't want to go too small. If we do, when we go to cook the chicken, it's going to dry out. I like a fairly good sized cube like that. And if you're making them for the kids, they might like smaller bite-sized pieces. Some would call these boneless chicken bites. This is our buttermilk mixture. We'll go ahead now and add our chicken right into that buttermilk mixture. Now, if you can prepare this and leave it marinate overnight, it's really going to help absorb all those flavors. If you can't do it overnight, that's okay. Buttermilk is going to help break down that chicken. You can always leave it in the fridge, even 5-10 minutes are fine. We'll give this a good mix. Then we're going to wrap it up and we're going to put it away. Excellent. Good. We'll come back in a few minutes. Thyme, pepper, garlic powder, smoked paprika, onion powder, and red chili powder. Okay, our chicken bites are marinated. I like it. I've got that flour seasoned up. You're gonna see me do here what's called wet hand, dry hand. This is gonna be the wet hand. This is gonna be the dry hand. I'm gonna take off as much of the excess buttermilk as possible on that. We'll do this in stages. We'll go ahead and toss that in the flour. Try not to overload that flour. And we're gonna go ahead and cover it like this. This way, our hand stays dry, okay? We'll give that a nice coating. You see that? Shake off the excess flour. Now we're gonna be double coating these tonight. So we'll do the first batch. So we're just making sure here that the chicken bites are not sticking together or sticking to the bottom. So you just need to do that once to be sure, and then it's fine. Parents, if you're looking to satisfy the kids' cravings and you can avoid the drive-thru, especially when inflation is high, make some boneless chicken bites. You're gonna love them. The kids are gonna love them. I've used chicken breast. I've spiced it up, flavored them up. Hopefully you followed along with the easy recipe. Remember, like, follow, comment, subscribe, share, everything so you can see more great easy recipes. I'm so excited to give these a try. Air fried half, I've deep fried half. Next time I'm just gonna air fry 100% of them. I don't like to deep fry stuff too often. Okay, here we go. Whoa! Boom! Those are so good. You've got to try this easy recipe.